Today, we share the results from the third quarter of this year, and I'm pleased with the progress that we've made. We've made key advancements in our pipeline programs, as well as continued the nice growth of the business. In the discovery and partnership part of Gubra, we have advanced several programs, and a key asset here is, of course, our Amylin anti-obesity project. In our single ascending dose phase 1 study, we completed the first key cohorts in June, and based on the outcome, we were able to go into dosing of optional cohort 5 and 6, which happened in July and August. The healthy volunteers then had the follow-up visits until early October, and therefore we will be able to share the key results from this SAD part of the trial later this November. We were also able to start up the multiple ascending dosing part of the study, where we started up dosing the first cohort in September this year. Dosing of the various cohorts in that part of the study will continue until late next year. In our UCN2 pipeline program, we see great potential. We've seen in preclinical studies that when we co-administrate UCN2 together with either a GLP-1 or an amylin, we're able to prevent the loss of lean body mass from diet-induced obese rats. The non-clinical toxicity testing will start late this year, and planning is ongoing for a first clinical trial with this compound for initiation late next year or early 2026. In July, we were able to announce, together with our partner Boehringer Ingelheim, that one of our collaboration programs has entered clinical testing. This is a first-in-class triple agonist peptide, which holds potential as an anti-obesity agent. This is the second collaboration between Boehringer Ingelheim and Gubra to enter clinical testing. However, a few days ago, Boehringer Ingelheim announced that they will no longer be progressing clinical testing of the first collaboration program asset. For the service part of Gubra, the CRO business, we saw nice growth also in this quarter. For the first 9 months of the year, the growth has been 31% compared to the same period last year. And if we zoom in on Q3 alone, we saw growth of 25% compared to Q3 last year. This nice growth was driven by especially obesity studies. However, also our kidney models has attracted nice attention. The financial outlook for 2024 we maintain, and we now expect to end up at the higher end of the previously communicated intervals, both with regards to the CRO revenue as well as the adjusted EBIT margin from the CRO business. All in all, it's great to conclude on a successful third quarter. It gives us great confidence in our continued growth journey based on scientific entrepreneurship.